Hey friends, so a lot of users came to me mentioning that they tried finding the product key for their Windows computer, but they could not find that key. And the reason is that the registry editor method was showing a different key, and that is a generic key. It is not specific to your system, it does not specifically work. So I'll help all of these users find a resolution to this, and it is very easy. And for this, you'll have to open the Microsoft Store. Either open it through here, or if you cannot find it here, search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Now you have to search for an app named Show Key Plus. Show Key Plus. So install this app on your system and install it to Microsoft Store itself so that you are very sure that you are installing the right app. It is through Superfly Inc. And once this app has been installed, you can open it, and after opening it you will be able to check the installed key and the OEM key, which is the same thing, on the same page, on the home page itself. And the interesting part with this application is that this key will work if it is a retail key, but if you're using a generic key, like if you have an organization computer, then it will not be helpful. But if you have a home computer, then it will be very helpful for you. If this helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. And if it was not helpful, then please let us know in the comment section so that we could investigate it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.